Yo, yo, yo. Back up in here, man. Alright, back up in here. One more time, man. One more time for your man. But yeah, man, the last video, man, y'all seen what I was saying about MayRose, man. I gotta get MayRose ready for Florida. I'm about to do some things because I'm tired of the situation that's going on with MayRose. I don't know who dog this is walking them down the street. It look like a Siberian Husky. And whatever. But anyway, so turn the light on. Man, I got some goodies, man. I told y'all, man, I was finna order some more stuff, man, because hey, I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't keep letting Bay sit like this, man, or constantly be going through these problems, man, because she don't deserve it. And more importantly, I don't deserve it either. So, what we did, man, I ordered. I guess I'll take the stuff out the box. Well, yeah, I'll take it out the box. All right, we back up in here. So, I went here and grabbed some parts, man, and I guess I'm gonna hold off on the companies and the brand name, except for this, because everybody know this. But anyway, I can't get this out of here. Damn. Okay. Man, they did not send me that. I know damn well they ain't send me that. Okay. Okay. So, what I ordered was, since I'm gonna reiterate what's going on, so y'all know that I've been having an issue with MayRose cutting off. After we ride for extended length of time or whatever, she cuts off and it's like she's starving for gas or whatever. So what I did was went ahead on, buckle down, man. I got another fuel pump. Just took that out the package. That's the package right there. I got another fuel pump. Walbro 255, man. And this time, I went ahead on, got me a brand new sending unit, man. Got a brand new sending unit because, and I'm sure that has nothing to do with, the car cutting off. So, that, like I said, that ain't got nothing to do with it. The sending unit has nothing to do with the car cutting off, but my gas hand wasn't reading. So I'm gonna say that the sending unit was bad anyway because the gas hand wasn't reading. Alright, so got a fuel pump, got the sending unit. And get out that old trusty dusty knife. I ain't even gonna say what this is. Well, I ain't gonna say who it's from. I ain't gonna say who it's from yet, because we're trying to work on something. I'm trying to work on something. I'll probably enclose that information at a later date. But right now, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna put this over here out the way. I'm not gonna reveal that, but they boxed that thing up nice too. Yeah, so let me go ahead. I'm going ahead and show y'all what I got, man, because it's a very, very, very important piece of this puzzle. And I don't know. I think in a video or two, I probably mentioned this about the purchase that I made beforehand. So this right here is what I got for MayRose. Brand new harness, man. I got a brand new harness for MayRose, man. This company, like, I'm looking at the like I'm looking at all the stuff on this harness, man. Like, it's really, like, for real, like, wow. So yeah, I'm really looking at all the stuff on here, man. It's really, it's put together nicely. It's put together neatly. They got everything labeled. Like, it's you know what I'm saying? Like, wow. So yeah, man. Like I said, it is definitely a better harness than what I had, because I had an eBay harness. It lasted for about a year, I want to say, and then, well, it never was really right, because, like I said, it was running my battery down, like it was making my alternator buzz. Like, so I'm assuming it was running my alternator all the time or something. I don't know. I don't know, but you know what I'm saying. I'm finna put this harness on, see what we got, man. Hopefully everything works out as far as my issue with the cutting off and all that. Even the issue of, you know what I'm saying, just leaving my battery hooked up all the time, so, you know what I'm saying, my battery don't run down. You know what I'm saying? And that was my issue from the jump with that harness. So the harness could have just been bad anyway. I don't know. Hopefully this harness doesn't do that, because if this harness does that, then I know I got another problem. But yeah, I purchased all this stuff, man. It was a decent price. Just trying to get it ready for Florida Classic. Gotta get it ready for Florida Classic, because yeah, OBD2 port. Yeah, I might have spliced that one like I spliced the other one. Yeah, kind of got lost there looking at it, man. That thing there is nice, boy. That thing nice. I ain't lying. But yeah. So probably the next video y'all will see is me installing the harness. Hopefully. If not, it'll be something of that sort. But I am going to probably drive the car before, which I did. I remember saying this. I'm gonna drive the car before, because I need to run the gas out of here, because I don't have the transfer pump to try to transfer the gas to anything else. So I'm not even gonna deal with it. I'm just gonna run out of gas. I'm gonna at least drive it and then run it low, and then I'll just let it run out of gas in the garage, and then we'll do it like that. And drop the tank, put that pump in there, put that sending unit in there. I also need to upgrade my wire to my fuel pump. My wire is way too small. They told me, I heard that I at least need to have at least 8 gauge on it. So I'm gonna upgrade to an 8 gauge wire, which I gotta order. Upgrade to 8 gauge wire, and I'm going to run it like that. So hopefully everything works out, pans out, because I don't like the fact that my car cuts off like that. Like, it's really embarrassing. So yeah, man, y'all seen what I got going on, man. I got the new harness, man. I got the new fuel pump. I got the new sending unit, man. So, man, y'all know, man, when I get to buying stuff, y'all already know what it is, man. When I get to buying stuff, I mean, I'm ready to do something. So hopefully, like I said, I can go ahead and start to install this harness on here. I'm gonna start taking stuff apart probably today or tomorrow. Well, nah, I probably gonna be able to do it tomorrow because I'm going to the show tomorrow. Well, I can take stuff loose in the morning. Probably start taking stuff apart in the morning to get the new harness in and my battery low. Man, it's crazy. Hold on. Yeah, man, we back. Change that old battery. Yeah. So, like I said, go ahead and try to get that harness in. Like I might, if I don't drive the car tonight, if I don't drive it tonight, I might start taking stuff out tonight. But I know for a fact that I think I'm gonna leave it alone until I got everything that I need, because I know for a fact I need a hole saw, because I'm gonna have to cut a hole in the firewall to get that to run the harness through there. Because I'm gonna go ahead, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the computer inside the car, which is what everybody was telling me to do in the first place. So put the computer inside the car, and yeah, definitely do that. So with that being said, man, y'all have been with me on another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on. We're constantly making improvements, constantly trying to make progress, man. We're constantly trying to just be positive, you know what I'm saying, and all this good stuff, man, in the car game. So yeah, with that being said, it's your boy B-Lo Nation. And like my dog on IG said, man, ain't no better nation but a donation, man. You know what I'm saying? Nah, you know what? I ain't gonna say that back, because y'all gonna think I'm asking y'all for some money, man. But yeah, that's what he said on IG, man. You know what I'm saying? But this is the best nation to be a part of. We're growing. Y'all show me love, I show y'all love, man. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Yeah. Nation, what up? Back, man. Y'all know how it go. Y'all know the lingo, man. Go on ahead, man. Consider subscribing, man. Like, comment, please. And hit that notification bell, man. Because as of right now, I'm about to be throwing these videos out. Because today, I think I'm about to start. I think I'm about to start on the removal of the old harness and installation of the new one. So yeah, we about to see what's up with that. Man. I'm about to run around the corner, grab some things real quick. Baby in the house, she's being attacked by outside. Her sinuses and allergies is tearing her ass up, so probably have to go and grab her something to eat real quick. And other than that, we should be good. But yeah, I'm about to run around here with the guys real quick, pick up some things, and yeah, try to get this thing started before the show, because not get the car started, but trying to get the process started before the show, because I'm gonna run down to the show, holler at them for a second, and then I'm gonna probably come home back and get back to work. Come on, Sky. So it's okay. So yeah, let me do that right there, man. I'm finna man, see what the day holds. I had to come over here, man, to the LS Swap warehouse to grab me some parts real quick, man, because yeah, you know, I'm in distress right now. I'm in distress, and I had to do that. I was just saying, for what your harness is? I see it. I need to run mine like that.
I'm putting that motherfucker inside.
What? No, that's what I'm finna do.
I'm gonna have to take it in the inside.
Yeah, that's what I'm finna do.
Cause
That's what
right
this
here.
for. Y'all see it? I
I'm
see it
gonna
now.
put it in the glove box.
Yeah, that's what
This ain't big enough. I got another bit set like this.
it says. I need a 2.5.
It's 2.5 right there.
Do they cut metal though? If not, I'm gonna have to go buy one.
You might have to. I got to find that set.
I don't know if this was metal or not.
The white one is. I don't know where they set it. I know I got the set.
But yeah, man, I had to come over here to the LS Swap warehouse, man, with my dog Tanner, man. He finna get me right, so I can go ahead and start doing this harness swap, man. Harness swap, gonna do everything right. Finna run it through the car like I was supposed to did the other one. So hopefully I don't have no issues. None at all. But let me help him find this stuff in his organized ass garage. Y'all seen Tanner car before, so I ain't gotta show y'all Tanner car. But I'm gonna show it to you anyway, I guess. Man, why you? Never mind.
What?
Nothing. I ask you in a minute. Oh.
I gotta find the kit, bro.
Yeah, man, y'all seen the this jump, man, when I had it on my channel before, the interior and the wheels. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all need an in-depth idea of what Tanner got going on right now, man, there's a guy by the name of 7A Chevy Boy, man. He came over here and did an exclusive on this thing, man. Interior, sound, wheels, motor, everything. So, man, y'all shoot on over to 7A Chevy Boy page, man. Check that out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen it before on my page. Y'all see the after on 7A Chevy Boy page, man. So, yeah. Keep that love going, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go over there, man. Like, comment, subscribe as well. But yeah. Let me help him find this stuff, man. This man, her garage so organized, he can't find shit. It's too organized, he can't find
It ain't even clean.
Oh my God.
I don't think this thing gonna work right.
There.